Okay, in this moment I'm starting to go back direction Belgium. The river is the border between the Germany and Luxembourg. Right side is Germany and I'm on the side of Luxembourg. And there is border crossing to Germany. Stolzelbrook. Wow, the river looks like a mirror. I don't know, can you see? No wind. In my country we call it bonanza. Nice curve. Surface is a bit wet. The grip is good. These roads are amazing. These roads in Luxembourg. Oh, this is very slippery metal. Oh, 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 like on ice. Metal panel. If I would just touch front brake on this metal panel, I would be down in a river. Now I'm going on the other side. And up. Surface is wet. I have to be careful a bit. Especially with this white line on the road. I don't know, I didn't try, I mean, if they're slippery or not. I mean, usually this white line could be very dangerous in the city and on some roads, because they're very slippery, but I'm not sure that this is the case here in Luxembourg. I'm kind of pretty sure that these lines here are not slippery, but I will not try anyway. I'll try to avoid passing over them. Ooh, nice curves. This is it, all the curves. Now I think that there is flat mostly. But beautiful. Okay, for me it's first time that I'm riding this path. And I think I will come back here. It's nice. I was expecting that the sun will appear in one moment, but weathercast said that afternoon will be sunny, but as I see now how it looks, it's not so likely that sun will come out. From this point on, after this roundabout, I'm entering the Belgium. Rain start again, and roads are very wet. This is Belgium. don't know how much gasoline I have left. Ah, 100. I can ride more. Okay, let's ride. Look, this road here, it's horrible. This area here is beautiful, this part of Belgium. And this whole area, it's kind of southeast part of, or even no, southwest part of Liège. I cannot drive faster, here it's 70. Now with every kilometer weather is going better and better. I will make one more stretch and I will ride to a place called Iwa. My pronunciation. Oh, some dirt on the road. Voila! Here is even, wow, some mud. Wow! Did you see this? I have to be very careful. I don't know why these guys didn't show me to slow down, kind of. I would point to them that they have to slow down. My great English. Okay, I don't have to drive like a maniac. Look at this, wow. Okay. I'm not in hurry anyway. Navigation want me to go here. Yeah, let's go, why not? Problem would be just to enter some mud. Wow, look at this. Nice road until here, huh? No. It continue to be nice. Okay, this is small place called Iva. Yeah. Okay, now I'm on the way to the beautiful monastery. The goal is not monastery itself. The goal is a beautiful road around the monastery. here I will go left now, and I will reach the monastery. I still didn't catch the name. I will reach the monastery from the back side. Maretsu. It's the name of the monastery. Okay, let's go. Oh, pronunciation. A lot of beers are made in monasteries, and for me it was strange when I moved here that monastery that monks make a beer. What? It was some hole, whatever. And in my country, in monastery, usually monks make wine, could be even rakia. Now we are approaching monastery from the yeah, from this side. I would say back, I mean, could be also front. Yeah, I'm recording. This is important. And here on my right side you will see now a small market with the shops and stands. The market belonged to monastery. Today there is not a lot of people because it was all day long. It was rain, and this is monastery. I hope you can see how it's beautiful and in good shape. There is a couple of them here in Belgium, but they were burned and destroyed during the Second World War. And now I'm going down to catch the main road. It would be a few more curves. After I catch the main road, and then yeah, slowly I will go direction highway and direction Brussels, and more or less this is it from today. I still have 100 kilometers or something to reach my home, to reach my house. And yeah, okay, there is nothing any more interesting to record, I would say, and then catch you up a bit later. Okay, I just had to stop because it's super hot and I need to take off the jacket. And while I'm doing this, I just discovered I'm actually Besides this, that I'm a great inventor, also a great genius to drive all day long with airbag vest. I didn't even activate. But now on my way home, in the last 50 kilometers, maybe I could be protected. I'm now on a highway, and I just saw that I have 10% of microphone battery left. I wanted to thank you if you watched this video. Today I drove 400 kilometers. I used 3 battery DJI camera, 3 tank of fuel, and half liter of water. Okay, wish you all the best until next video. Stay good and thanks to watch. I enter this rainy cloud. I just took off my rainy jacket, but luckily I kept trousers. Speak to you maybe later if there is battery. Didn't pass 200 meters. How I said that there is a rain, I will change the gloves. Heavy duty workers gloves. Okay. I don't care about the rain because I am well protected. But yeah, hail would not be nice. Yoo-hoo! Ta-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na. Oh, here is a bit risky. Yeah, there is a hail. Ooh. Yeah, this is hail, what is not good.